Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix Windows Update error code is 0x80070437. So how to fix this problem? So first you need to search troubleshoot settings and open it. Other troubleshoots, in options you see this other troubleshoots. Simply click on it. And here you see this Windows Update. So click on Run and wait some few minutes till this process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so close it. Here you see this close option, so click on it and close this settings app. Now search CMD. Right click on command prompt. Click on Run as administrator. It asks permission, so click on yes. Now type here this command line. First command is sfc space / scan now. Simply type this command line and press enter and wait some few minutes. This process will be complete. If this process will be complete, so type second command. If you comment, so I will give in decision box. So you need to just copy and paste this command. So after this both command process will be complete, so close it and restart your PC or laptop. And after restart you can easily resolve this problem. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos.